Nice, Logan.
On the balance with it?
Yeah, sure. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that's pretty big weight coming in now. Yeah, he sat down.
Yeah.
Come here, what? Yeah, let me get a couple of good videos of the girls, and then I will. There's Avery. Good job, Abe. Here goes Logan. And here goes Katie. Oh, we got all three of them at once. Not at the same time, but back to back.